Chariot. Hello, I'm Grandmaster Ken McKenzie with the World Shimu Hapkido Federation and the proud owner of McKenzie's Taekwondo and Hapkido Institutes here in southern New Jersey. Today we're going to go through with you Hapkido Step-by-Step, oftentimes called flow drills. Flow drills are a series of Hapkido techniques done together, back-to-back, and in harmony. While there are many flow drills, today we will review flow drill number 1. I'm going to have my assistant, Black Belt Will, face me in a fighting stance. Now in a moment when Will punches me, rather than doing a hard style block, I will do a small parry, which is a circular palm, followed by a hooking block where I gain control of his wrist and feed into a powerful Hapkido lock. From there, the flow drill will continue. Give me a punch. As you can see, I've circled under his arm and pulled his hand in close to my sternum. This is called a center lock. From here, touching his elbow and maintaining contact, I will move to what is called a policeman's carry. And you'll notice that I'm maintaining a position where his wrist is on a higher plane than his elbow. From here, I will rotate forward to a bouncer's carry, extremely painful. Coming under the fingers, a weak part on the anatomy, I will bend, dropping my assailant to the floor. Now at this point, you can see that I've created a base by touching his arm to my leg, thus giving me more power and control over my opponent. Lifting him back up, coming back to the center lock. I'm able to move my opponent around, manipulating his position. From here, we will go to an arm bar, and then lastly, following with a throw, in and twisting. Very nice. Chariot. Doing it? Once again, thank you. I'm Ken McKenzie with the World Shimu Hapkido Federation. Feel free to join us at www.worldshimuhapkidofederation.com. And until next time, thank you.